Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address in Uber. Whether you want to update your home or work address in the Uber app, follow these steps. First of all, launch open the Uber app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, click on the account button at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your accounts tab, click on the settings button at the bottom, and then under settings, you can go ahead and change your home address or your work address. I'm just going to tap on the add home option over here at the top and then go ahead and enter your home address. You can type it down in the text box or click on set location on map. You can also go ahead and drop a pin on your location from the map and click done. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change your home address or your address on Uber. You can similarly add your work address as well, following the same step. This time tap on add work and select your location on the map, select your work location, choose to drop the pin on the area of your work and click on done, and this will also add your work location. So that's how you easily change your location on Uber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.